So this video is kind of just, I'm gonna put it in I'm gonna put it in my main channel, but I'll put it in this video. It's kind of a flashback now to Bonfire Night, which is, if you're American or any other thing, that's retarded for this one. I'm gonna put it. Bonfire Night is like this thing what we have in England. If you don't get it, then just don't watch it. There's a guy! There's a guy! A guy! It does look like you. Yeah. What are you looking at, Mr. Fulkin?
He's not making a load of noise. Don't the way.
Oh, what was that supposed to be? Just a shoot up in the sky and there you go. Happy New Year!
Proper timber around here.